When working on a renovation project, it's often necessary to think on your feet and come up with creative solutions to unexpected problems, especially if certain building materials aren't available anymore. It's not only the right tools and equipment you need for the job, but also practical experience and thinking outside the box to overcome technical issues. In the case of this particular Reclad project, we couldn't find a supplier that stocked the same weatherboards. As a result, we took matters into our own hands and used a router to create the drip edge, and used wood turners to achieve the desired profile cut. It was a time-consuming and meticulous process, especially over a 6-meter length. After priming, we managed to finish the painting on the same day, and the most important thing is we didn't let the client down. Another happy client, and another retro project done and dusted.